बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। ये जो वीडियो है ये एमसीक्यूज हैं प्ले सेक्शन से, द काउंट्स रिवेंज से, जो कि 2021 के एग्जामिनेशन के लिए हैं। और ये वीडियो साइंस, कॉमर्स और आर्ट्स तीनों फैकल्टी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि इस दफ़ा एमसीक्यूज 50 मार्क्स के हैं। तो आपको ये वीडियो बहुत हेल्प आउट करेगी प्ले सेक्शन को कवर करने में। और इसके अलावा मैं एक वीडियो ऑलरेडी पोइट्री सेक्शन पे बनाकर डाल चुका हूँ, उसका लिंक मैं इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दूंगा। ये कुछ डिटेल्स हैं अबाउट द प्ले दैट यू कैन सी ऑन योर स्क्रीन। इसको पढ़ लीजिएगा पॉज करके वीडियो को। चलते हैं आगे, एमसीक्यू शुरू करते हैं। लेकिन उससे पहले आपसे गुजारिश वही पुरानी है कि मेरी वीडियो को लाइक जरूर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें, ताकि मैं और आपके लिए जो है यूजफुल वीडियोस बना सकूं। इसको प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए और इसको सॉल्व करने का एक बहुत आसान सा तरीका है कि आप एक पेज लें, एक कलम लें और उस पर अपना एमसीक्यू नंबर लिखें, एमसीक्यू नंबर के आगे उसका आंसर लिखें और वीडियो पॉज करके ये काम करें। उसके बाद उसके आंसर्स को आप चेक कर लें। इससे आपका बहुत सारा टाइम बचेगा और आपकी प्रैक्टिस और आपकी प्रिपरेशन दोनों साथ साथ चलती जाएगी। सो पॉज द वीडियो, राइट डाउन योर आंसर्स, then check them out. The play The Count's Revenge is an abridged form of a French novel. The story of the play The Count's Revenge was adapted from a French novel named The Count of Monte Cristo. The play The Count's Revenge was written by J.H. Walsh. Pause the video, solve this screen, and then resume the video to check out your answers. The scenes in the play The Count's Revenge are three. The Count of Monte Cristo was Edmond Dantes. By profession, Edmond Dantes was previously a sailor. The Count of Morcerf was Fernand Mondego. Pause the screen, mention your answers in your sheet, then resume the video to check your answers. Now listen to the answers. By profession, the Count of Morcerf was previously fisherman. The Countess of Morcerf was Mercedes. The Countess of Morcerf was betrothed to Edmond. Edmond, Mercedes, and Fernand previously lived in Marseille. The Count of Monte Cristo and Morcerf now live in Paris. Check these MCQs, pause the video, mention your answers, then resume the video to check the answers. Now check them out. The English play The Count's Revenge shows French society. Edmond, Mercedes, and Fernand were friends. Morel was Monte Cristo's friend. Bertuccio was Monte Cristo's steward. Pause the video, write down your answers, and then resume the video to check your answers. Now check them out. Scene 1 is laid in the house of the Count of Morcerf. Albert was the son of the Count of Morcerf. The Count of Morcerf was a captain in the French army in the year 1823. Next screen, next MCQs. Solve these MCQs, pause the video, mention the answers. Now resume it and check them out. When the scene 1 of the play begins, Albert has been shown pacing anxiously. The accusations against Morcerf appeared in 2 newspapers. The accusations against Morcerf first appeared in the paper of Bouchard. Pause the video, mention your answers, then resume the video to check them out. Now check them. On Morsif, there was a charge of being a traitor. There was a charge of being a traitor on Morsif because he accepted bribe to surrender the fortress of Yanina. Albert was desperate to avenge one who ruined Albert's family honor. Pause the video, mention your answers, then resume the video to check them out. Now check the answers. Albert and his family earlier considered the Count of Monte Cristo their friend. For holidays, Monte Cristo and Albert were in Normandy. Never to eat bread in the house of a deadly enemy is a custom of the Arabs. Pause the video, mention the answers. Now check them out. In the scene 1 of the play, 3 people appeared. They were Beauchamp, Monte Cristo, and Morcerf. The inquiry concerning the allegations against the Count of Morcerf was conducted by the president. The function of the Chamber of Deputies would be just to conduct an inquiry. Pause the video, mention your answers, then come back. Now check the answers. It was Beauchamp who found out who published those anonymous charges. But if your father is a villain, why punish the man who has made his villainy public? The speaker is Mercedes. But if your father is a villain, why punish the man who has made his villainy public? This dialogue of Mercedes shows that she is just. Pause the video, mention your answers, then come back and check them out. Now check them. An eye for an eye, a tooth for a tooth. That is the rule I follow. The speaker of this dialogue is Monte Cristo. Strange, so very strange. The speaker of this dialogue is Mercedes. Strange, so very strange. This dialogue has been spoken for Monte Cristo. Commiseration means sympathy. Mention the answers of these MCQs after pausing this video. Mention them. Now check the answers. Au revoir means goodbye. Who has taken all Paris by storm? Who is being referred in this dialogue? Monte Cristo. Mercedes belonged to Catalonia, which is in Spain. Flustered means nervous. Pause the video, mention your answers, then come back to check them out. Let's see the answers. Dragged into the mire. What was dragged into the mire? Morcerf's name. Dragged into the mire means completely disgraced. Mercedes was Spanish, since she was from Catalonia. The scene 2 begins from this slide. Pause the video, mention the answers, then resume the video to check your answers. The house of the Count of Monte Cristo is located in Champs-Élysées, Paris. Who chose the weapons for the duel? Albert. When scene 2 begins, Monte Cristo is showing busy in practicing shots. Next slide. Pause the video, mention your answers, then resume the video to check the answers. Now check them out. The duel has to be taken place in Bois de Vincennes, Paris. The duel has to be started at 8 o'clock in the morning. When Monte Cristo and Morrel were talking about duel, a veiled lady came to meet Monte Cristo. Who was the lady? Obviously, she was Mercedes. The Countess of Morcerf approached the Count of Monte Cristo for. Pause the video. Okay? Mention the answers. Then resume the video to check them out. Let's check them. The Countess of Morcerf approached the Count of Monte Cristo for having her son's life spared. The Count of Monte Cristo was imprisoned in dungeon for lifetime. The Count of Monte Cristo was accused of spying Bonaparte. Pause the video and mention your answers. Then resume the video to check them out. Now check them. The Count of Morcerf made the Count of Monte Cristo imprisoned because he wished to achieve Mercedes. The Count of Monte Cristo passed 14 years in dungeon. Mercedes married Fernand Mondego because she was assured that Edmund had died. The Count of Monte Cristo left the idea of fighting a duel because... Pause the video to mention your answers. Let's check them out. The Count of Monte Cristo left the idea of fighting a duel because the Countess requested to spare her son. To his family, the Count of Morcerf had been cruel and unfair. The last thing the Count of Monte Cristo did before he decided to die instead of Albert, he made a will. Pause the video first. Mention the answers, then resume the video to check them out. Here are the answers. He had hopes of being married shortly to a beautiful Catalan girl. Who is the girl? Mercedes. When a man resolves to avenge himself, he should first of all tear out the heart from his breast. Who is the speaker? Monte Cristo. Dungeon means underground prison. Vengeance means revenge. Pause the video, mention your answers, then resume it. Let's check them out. Betrothed means engaged. Expostulation means protest. Entreating means request humbly. The scene 3 begins from here. Pause the video to mention your answers. Now check them out. When scene 3 begins, the clock strikes 9. The Count of Morcerf was restless for the return of Albert, while the Countess seemed rather calm. The Count of Morcerf was quite certain that Albert would be brought home dead. Next slide. After the affair of the duel was averted, the Countess decided... Pause the video. Mention the answers, then resume the video. Now check them out. After the affair of the duel was averted, the Countess decided to leave Paris. When Albert gets back home, it's 9 o'clock. The Count of Morcerf asks to embrace Albert because they thought he had killed Monte Cristo. Pause the video, mention your answers. Now you can resume the video to check the answers. Albert avoided embracing his father because he wished to tell what had happened that morning. Albert considered that the Count of Monte Cristo's attempt to humiliate and dishonor his family was completely justified. Albert quit his rage and asked Monte Cristo for pardon. Pause the video. Write down your answers. Now you can check them out. The cause of enmity between him and Monte Cristo, Morcerf did not know. The Count of Morcerf was killed at last by the shot of his own revolver. The Count of Monte Cristo was famous as a good marksman. Pause the video to mention your answers, then resume it. Now check them out. Albert believed in justice. Embrace me, my son, and receive a father's thanks. Who is the father? The Count of Morcerf. Your son is no coward. It is his father who is coward. Who is coward? The Count of Morcerf. Pause the video to mention your answers. Then resume it. Now check them out. The Count of Monte Cristo's revenge, it was declared by Albert. Impassively means emotionlessly. Dueling with its conventions firmly established across Europe by the end of 17th century. Dueling was fought among gentlemen in the society of. Pause कर लें वीडियो को, आंसर्स को मेंशन कर लें. अब जरा इसके आंसर्स चेक करें. Dueling was fought among gentlemen in the society of upper class. Dueling was stamped out completely in the 19th century. अब अगले स्टेप में हम जा रहे हैं और उसमें हम जो है पास्ट पेपर्स सॉल्व करेंगे 22 इयर्स के, जिसमें आपके पास एमसीक्यूज कॉमर्स के भी होंगे और साइंस के भी पास्ट पेपर्स से होंगे. इससे पहले कि आप आगे चलें, एक बार फिर गुजारिश है कि चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें. ये साइंस में आने वाले जो एमसीक्यूज हैं पिछले 11 सालों में वो आपके सामने हैं. फिर 11 साल के कॉमर्स के होंगे तो कंप्लीटली दे विल बी 22 इयर्स. पॉज कर लें वीडियो को. बहुत सारे एमसीक्यूज हैं, 9 एमसीक्यूज हैं इस स्क्रीन पे. उसके आंसर्स को आप पहले मेंशन कर लें और फिर रिज्यूम करके इसके आंसर्स को आप चेक कर लीजिएगा. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप पहले इसको सॉल्व करें फिर इसके आंसर्स सुना. Check out the answers. All Paris is ringing with it means the people of Paris are talking about it. The duel between the Count and Albert was to be fought with pistols. The Count's revenge ends in the death of Morcerf. I see the cloud on your brow are the words spoken by Monte Cristo. To throw one's glove on someone's face means to challenge someone to a party. The Count's revenge presents French society. His safety will be purchased by the death of an honorable man are the words of Mercedes. The Count's revenge reflects the society of France. Morcerf surrendered the fortress of Yanina to the Turks. नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन. पॉज कर लें वीडियो को, अपने आंसर्स लिख लीजिए और फिर इसे चेक करने के लिए इसको रिज्यूम कीजिएगा. नाउ चेक आउट द आंसर्स. द काउंटेस ऑफ Morcerf was formerly known as Mercedes. The Count of Morcerf was a captain in the French army. The Count of Monte Cristo is an excellent marksman. The play The Count's Revenge by J.H. Walsh has been described as a melodrama. Au revoir means goodbye. The Count's Revenge is written by J.H. Walsh. The house of the Count of Monte Cristo was in Champs-Élysées. नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन. 2012 में 4 एमसीक्यूज हैं इस प्ले से. पॉज कर लें जरा वीडियो को ताकि आप अपने आंसर्स को मेंशन कर लें. बार बार समझा रहा हूं कि पहले अपने आंसर्स को मेंशन करें, इससे आपकी प्रिपरेशन बहुत अच्छी होगी. उसके बाद आप इसके आंसर्स सुनाएं. द रियल नेम ऑफ द काउंट ऑफ मॉन्टे क्रिस्टो वाज एडमंड डांटिस. नेवर टू ब्रेक bread in the house of a deadly enemy is an Arab custom. To throw one's glove in someone's face means to challenge someone to a party. Madam, I cannot stay to argue. The speaker is Albert. At the end of seeing The Count of Monte Cristo, ये at the end of scene 2 होगा. At the end of scene 2, the Count of Monte Cristo prepared his will. The Count of Monte Cristo spent 14 years of his life in underground dungeon. Weak and fearful, cruel and traitor are the qualities of the Count of Morcerf. पॉज कर लें वीडियो को, इसके आंसर्स लिख लीजिए पहले, अब इसके आंसर्स देख लें, सुन लें। The Count of Monte Cristo spent 14 years of his life in dungeon. In the duel, Albert II was Bouchon. The Count of Morcerf was proved by the deputies a traitor. The Count of Monte Cristo disgraced the family of the Count of Morcerf by publishing news in the paper. नेक्स्ट स्क्रीन पे हम कॉमर्स के पेपर्स देखेंगे, पास पेपर्स। पॉज कर लें वीडियो को, अपने आंसर्स को लिख लीजिए और फिर उसके बाद वापस आइएगा इसके आंसर्स चेक करने के लिए। लास्ट टाइम मैंने जो पोएट्री की वीडियो डाली थी, वहां पे किसी ने मुझसे क्वेश्चन किया था, सर ये आर और पी का मतलब क्या होता है? तो ये इसका मतलब होता है रेगुलर एंड प्राइवेट। कॉमर्स के कभी कभी पेपर्स रेगुलर वालों के अलग होते हैं, प्राइवेट वालों के अलग होते हैं। तो जहां रेगुलर और प्राइवेट आर और पी लिखा हुआ तो इसका मतलब ये रेगुलर और प्राइवेट के लिए, और जहां का नहीं लिखा हुआ वहां पे मतलब ये है कि ये रेगुलर और प्राइवेट दोनों का पेपर एक ही हुआ था। तो आंसर्स देखते हैं। मॉन्टे क्रिस्टो once saved the life of Albert. Edmund Dantes remained in an underground dungeon for 14 years. Au revoir means goodbye. 14 years is a large life from a man's life. These words were spoken by Monte Cristo. The name of the second of the Count of Monte Cristo is Morrel. The name of the Count of Morcerf's enemy was discovered by Bouchon. In the French army, the Countess of Morcerf was a captain. Au revoir means goodbye. At the end of the scene 1, this person's life was in danger. Albert. Bois de Vincennes is the name of the wood that is located in the outskirts of Paris. The name of Morcerf's enemy was discovered by Bouchon. At the end of scene 2, Monte Cristo signed his will. The duel between Albert and the Count of Monte Cristo was to take place at Bois de Vincennes. The Count of Morcerf was killed by himself. At the end of the play, the Countess of Morcerf faints. The expression an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth has been given by, ये has been given by होना चाहिए, has been given by Monte Cristo. The real name of the Count of Monte Cristo was Edmund Dantes. आंसर्स लिख लीजिए पॉज करके वीडियो को। अब देखें इसके आंसर्स। द ड्यूल वॉज फिक्स्ड इन Bois de Vincennes. Au revoir means goodbye. The real name of the Countess of Morcerf was Mercedes. The Count of Morcerf is killed by himself. The expression an eye for an eye and a tooth for a tooth has been given by Monte Cristo. Au revoir means goodbye. The duel was to take place in Bois de Vincennes. The real name of the Count of Monte Cristo was Edmund Dantes. Never to break bread in the house of a deadly enemy is an Arab custom. The Count of Morcerf took bribes from the Turks. In his early life, Monte Cristo was sailor. The Count of Monte Cristo was condemned to imprisonment for, ये लाइफ टाइम इसके अंदर आंसर होना चाहिए जो यहाँ पे गिवन नहीं है। इसका राइट आंसर है लाइफ टाइम, उसको जिंदगी भर के लिए कैद किया गया था। This man helped Albert in finding out his victim, Bouchon. In his early life, Monte Cristo was a sailor. Albert challenged this person to fight a duel. Monte Cristo. Fernand Mondego hatched a devilish plot against Edmond Dantes to win Mercedes. पॉज कर लें वीडियो को, अपने आंसर्स को मेंशन कर लें और फिर रिज्यूम करें से इसके जवाब सुनने के लिए। The Count of Monte Cristo was a real gentleman. The second of the Count of Monte Cristo in the duel was Morel. Never to eat food in the house of a deadly enemy is an Arab custom. The Countess of Morcerf referred to an Arab custom. It means never to eat food in the house of a deadly enemy. Which society is depicted in the Count's Revenge? French society. The Count of Morcerf took bribes from the Turks. Edmond Dantes languished in an underground dungeon for, इसका जवाब भी है lifetime, जो कि अनफॉर्चुनेटली यहां पे लिखा हुआ नहीं है। The correct answer is lifetime. At the end of the scene 2, Monte Cristo prepared his will. Weak and fearful, cruel and traitor are the qualities of the Count of Morcerf. Pause the video, then mention your answers. Now listen to them. The duel was to take place in Bois de Vincennes. The house of Monte Cristo is in Champs-Élysées. The duel was to be fought between Albert and the Count of Monte Cristo. मुबारक हो, प्ले सेक्शन से आपने 150 से ज्यादा एमसीक्यूज प्रिपेयर कर लिए हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर लिए हैं। आखिरी में आपसे एक छोटी सी गुजारिश है जो कि हमेशा से है कि चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और आपके कमेंट्स मेरे लिए बहुत वैल्यूएबल है, तो कमेंट जरूर किया करें। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मुलाकात होगी जो कि प्रो सेक्शन पे होगी, जल्द जो है वो मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा। तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखें, मुझे दुआओं में याद रखें। अस्सलाम वालेकुम, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।